Hello my besties, how are you? You know, I decorated my sister's porch the other day, and now I have an idea to decorate her mailbox. So don't put away your pool noodle just yet. I have an idea how to use it to decorate this mailbox. It's a fun way, easy, inexpensive, and you can do it too. Let's get started. So grab your pool noodle and any other decor you have around the house. We have a lot of items here from Dollar Tree. This adorable red truck sign, florals, some scarecrows, leaves. You can collect some pine cones at the park, little pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and of course ribbons. I also have a command hook over here. I want to attach it first so it has time to stick. I'm going to use it to hang my sign on the back of the mailbox. Next, I take a wire and thread it through the noodle, pull it out on the other end, and I'm going to use it to attach the pool noodle to the mailbox. First, I'm going to measure how long the wire needs to be, cut it off, and then tie it nicely at the bottom. So the plan is to hang the sign in the back and decorate the noodle all around. At first, let's cut all the leaves and flowers into separate pieces. And then add a drop of glue at the tip of each stem and start inserting them all around the noodle. You are probably wondering, how did I get my glue gun to work outside? Well, I run an extension cord from the garage to the mailbox. And if you cannot do that, you can probably decorate your noodle in the house and then just when you're done, bring it outside and tie it with the wire at the end. My sister also had this garland, which I decided to run all around the noodle as well. I'm going to attach it with the wire. Just like so, to the existing wire back there. And then just run it all around the noodle, from the bottom to the top, and all the way down again. And tie it again at the other end. And my baby, of course, has to be right next to me. And she got so tangled around the post, can't move any further. And I just continue filling in with all the leaves that I have. Next, we are going to make a big 9-loop bow. And I cut 9 pieces of ribbon here, 3 pieces of each color, 30 inches or longer. Some are leftovers for me, so they're longer. Next, you take each loop and measure with your ruler to make sure it's 7 or 8 inches long. Pinch it and hold it with your thumb. And this Deco Mesh burlap ribbon, it catches on things. So you're going to see me fighting it a little bit. But I wanted to incorporate it in the mailbox as well because I made beautiful door swags for my sister in the previous video. And I wanted to incorporate that as well. So as you can see, I'm alternating the colors. I started with the green, now I do that again, 7 or 8 inches, and pinch and hold. Now the burlap again, pinch and hold, and so on. So it's going to get a little harder to hold with all 9 loops. And my nephew is recording for me. I know his hand was getting tired of holding the camera, but good job, Jakey. Thank you so much for being such a good boy and helping your auntie. So as you can see, I have all 9 loops here in my hand. Then I take a floral wire bend it in half and just tie it real tight. And then all you have to do is just fluff, fluff, fluff. A lot of fluffing with this big thing. And believe me, it looks like a mess right now, but it's gonna be a pretty bow. Here we go. We're gonna take the bow outside now, and we're gonna use the wire that's over there at the bow already and tie it down to the noodle. Right there. And now we just have to fluff it up some more and fix the tails, put them where we like them. You notice some tails are longer. Like I said, it was leftover ribbons. I didn't want to cut it and have small leftover pieces, so I decided to use it in this bow. So for example, here this tail would cover the house number. So I'm just gonna pinch the ribbon and attach it on the side to the noodle. I take a piece of wire, tie it down, and you can either insert the wire through the foam or you can tie it to a noodle or to one of the leaves there. Isn't that cute? I think it looks adorable that way. And you do the same thing on the other side. All right, it's been a while, so we can hang the sign now. And you can also reinforce it in the back with some strong tape or even a little bit of hot glue. I'm also attaching a scarecrow here, just putting some hot glue and poking it through the noodle. Let the little guy sit over there on the side. I think he's gonna look so cute there. Now let's work on the ends of the noodle. I'm gonna insert some cattails at the bottom, just like so. Next, I take 3 separate leaves. I tie them together. Just like so. And I'm gonna insert them with some hot glue also, just above to cover the unsightly end of the pool noodle. Much better, right? And I do that on both sides. Next, I attach those little corns that I have. Just add a lot of hot glue in the back and place them here. Just try to cover all the bald spots. And now we're gonna fill in the rest with some Dollar Tree flowers. These dahlias are beautiful. They actually have some burlap like petals in the middle. And you find one bigger one and another smaller one. You put them next to each other. And do more or less the same thing on the other side. Another favorite are those mini mums. They're also perfect filler flowers in between here and there. Look how beautiful they are. We're gonna insert some in between the bow at the top. And as the last step, grab a bunch of leaves and go all around and peek and see if you have any bald spots, just fill them in. We are done. Here is our mailbox decoration. Came out so cute. You cannot even tell there's a pool noodle under there, can you? Please let me know in the comments down below. Do you have a freestanding mailbox like this? And do you ever decorate it? I think it is such a good idea to decorate it because it's like the first thing people see when they pull up to your home. And it just adds so much, doesn't it? So cute. And how appropriate it is to attach the little red truck right there in the back. Obviously, the mailbox sits by the road, so it's perfect. The possibilities are endless here, guys. You can decorate it any way you like with any elements you might already have, and of course for any holiday occasion. And if you worry about your creation getting wet, I heard that this spray called Never Wet really works. Alright, my friends, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is such a budget-friendly idea. I encourage you to go for it. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel because I have many more ideas for the future. So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.